Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Again, we're asked to draw some free body diagrams for problems later in the chapter. This problem 25, 26, 27, and 28. So on 25, we have a bar that is bent that has a sleeve on it here that's sliding along an inclined support structure. Because it can slide in this direction, there's no force component in that direction, so there'll be one perpendicular to that. Also, there will be a moment here because of the this collar here is going to prevent rotation at this point. We have a point load acting here and a moment acting at the bend, and then we have a support over here on a smooth surface that's inclined, so that the reaction force would be perpendicular to the smooth surface. And the next problem, we have a crane. So we have a crane and the boom is here, and then we have a weight hanging from it. We have its mass acting through its center of mass, and then we have reaction forces from the wheels. And again, we would have horizontal forces here, generally speaking, but there's no external horizontal force acting, so everything will be in the vertical direction in this problem. In 27, we have a bar that's inclined against the wall, two surfaces, smooth surfaces. On this surface, we'll have a normal to the surface, that's a force that's perpendicular. Here we have a smooth surface, but we also have a little blocker here, so we have both a horizontal and a vertical component. So we have a smooth surface and another little constraint structure here. And then we have the weight of the bar. In 28, we have a beam that's pivoted here that has a torsional spring, and then it's cantilevered kind of from that torsional pivot and has its weight, and then at this point we have reaction forces in the vertical and horizontal directions. Again, this one will be 0 because we have no other horizontal loads. And then we have a moment that's related to the rotation through the spring constant of this torsional spring that's supporting this bar.